Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another review. I was a little bit stumped on this month's review. I usually try to review at least like one beauty product per month because I know how much you guys love reviews, and obviously it's a little bit tight between the holidays. I have my birthday going on and all of that stuff, so I didn't want to go get anything super expensive, but I still was definitely in the mood to test out something that was new and innovative. Then I realized that I ordered a thing back in like September or August and I never ever used it, and I figured why don't I go ahead and whip it out and test it for you guys this month. So this video is actually going to be a two-parter review. This first part that you are seeing right now is a first impression, and then check back later in about 4 weeks or so and I will show you the full results after testing out this tool for a full month. But for this video I'm going to be doing a first impression on the Spa Sciences MIO Diamond Microdermabrasion and Pore Extracting Skin Resurfacing System. That is a mouthful. But I was on urbanoutfitters.com and I needed something to get me to free delivery, and I saw this little guy and I was like, that's really cool. I've always wanted to try microdermabrasion and stuff like that, so I thought that this would be really fun to test out. But before we jump into it, I just want to welcome anyone who's new. My name is Sarah, and as I said, I do reviews usually on beauty, but I throw in a few fashion reviews as well as just general beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content. So if you're interested in that kind of content, make sure to hit the button down below to subscribe to my channel, turn the notifications on, and if you enjoyed this video in general, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It lets me know to do more beauty reviews and also really helps out my channel a lot to help push my videos in the algorithm, along with leaving a comment down below. Let me know if you have any questions on this tool or have any requests on anything else you guys would like me to review, and let's go ahead and get into unboxing this sucker. Alright, so as I mentioned, this is going to be a two-part review. This first video is going to be just unboxing the product, initial first impressions, and then I'm going to do my first trial with it. And then I'm also going to show you guys my experience with using it for the first time and also the results after one use, because this does claim that you will see fresh, radiant skin after one use. So this is dermatologist recommended, so it's safe for you to use. And it claims to improve the appearance of dry skin patches, which is definitely great because it's currently winter. It's December at the time that I'm filming this, which I'm sure explains the setup to anyone who's confused. That's why the Christmas tree setup is still here. But in addition to the dry skin patches, this also improves the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, which is great because, you know, aging. I just turned 31 by the time this video goes up, so you know, really want to get in on those preventative measures. Also improves the appearance of pore size, age spots, firmness, blackheads, whiteheads, and acne scarring, which acne scarring is a big one for me. I'm just very prone to acne scars. Whenever I get any type of blemish, I already know that I'm gonna get an acne scar at least for a little while, so I love the fact that this claims to help out with that. And on the side here it says why microdermabrasion. So this has laser cut diamond bits mounted into a treatment tip with suction to create the ideal tool to smooth, stimulate, and renew your entire complexion. It claims to be quick and easy to use to give you your best skin ever. We'll see about that. And you should see smoother, softer, and brighter skin after just one treatment, which is what we're going to be testing out today in this video. And then this is supposed to be gentle and effective and help to remove dead skin, rough texture, and improve softness, smoothness, radiance, fine lines, skin tone, and enlarged pores. So on the back here, you guys can see there's like a before and after of what the skin looks like before and what it's supposed to look like after 4 weeks, as well as some illustrations as to how the product actually works. So this is supposed to be a professional grade exfoliation treatment, so supposedly as good as you would get in a spa. I've never had microdermabrasion from an esthetician or anything like that, so I can't attest to that. All I'll be able to let you guys know is just how well it works on my skin. But it also is supposed to help with removing congestion in your skin to provide purification results. And it's a two-part system. For the first step, it looks like you use the rejuvenation tip, and then on the second step, you use the suction extraction tip. So let's go ahead and get into what is actually in here. So the first thing that you have is the actual MIO tool. This is what it looks like. It's this really nice mint color. It's a good size, fits really nicely in your hand. And then there is the tip right there. And that also comes with a couple of other tips for you to attach to here. So I'm not exactly sure which tip is which, but I'm sure that once I look at the instruction manual, when I use this later tonight, we'll figure that out, but I'll just show them to you for right now. So it has this tip first, which is just like a medium-sized round circle. Then this tip, which is much larger, the nozzle is much longer, kind of curved a little bit. And then this next one, which is just like more of a slimmer oval shape, which I'm sure is like for getting into the nooks and crannies of your face. Then this also comes with a few extra, I forgot what these are called, hold on. These are the 20 single-use foam filters. So you have to replace these every single time you use this. And then it also comes with a charging cord because this tool is chargeable. It doesn't run on batteries or anything. You just recharge it, which I actually do prefer. I hate having to go get batteries. So I do like that it is something that you can just like plug into a socket and charge and not have to worry about like whether or not you have batteries or anything like that. So that is everything that comes in the kit. But like I said, we're gonna use this later tonight. Basically what's gonna happen is I'm gonna do my nighttime skincare routine, but I'm gonna include this with it, and we'll see how it kind of like fits into the skincare routine. I'll let you guys know how it feels, how easy it is to use, and all of that stuff. And then I'll check back in with you guys tomorrow morning and show you guys the results after like 1 day of use and kind of sleeping with it and letting my skin settle from the treatment. And then in a second part of this video, about a month later, I'm gonna show you guys my results from a full 4 weeks worth of treatment and let you guys know definitively whether or not I recommend this MIO tool. Okay, so it's nighttime and I'm finally gonna use this MIO Microdermabrasion tool. I've been charging it. It's supposed to charge for like a full 12 hours, but we're a couple of hours shy, but I think it's gonna be okay. But the first step that it says to do is to either steam your face with a steamer or warm towel, or just wash it with some warm water. So I'm gonna warm up the water down here and just splash some of it on my face to get my pores to open up a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna first off peel this off, which is just the best part. Detach this, hello. So I just press the on button to power it and then select the desired power level by pressing the speed control. They suggest to begin on the lower power setting just to start. And this is the Diamond Microdermabrasion Tip. This one already came on there, so I didn't have to attach it. So you are supposed to hold your skin taut with the opposite hand and do not stop or hold the MIO over an area of skin. Keep it moving at all times. And then when treatment is complete, I have to rinse my face clean and pat dry. And then after that, I'm gonna attach the suction tools and just glide them over all of the different sections of my face. And then it does let me know that this will shut off after 15 minutes. So you need to be aware of that, but I'm gonna power on. Perfect. Oh no, I don't wanna go that high. Okay, back down. Okay, so I have it on the lowest setting and pull my skin taut. Just keep moving. Oh my God, what the hell? That's crazy. When the suction lifts off, it sounds like so aggressive. I feel like I could turn it up just a touch. Yeah, that seems like a good level. Okay, so I just realized it actually says to do vertical then horizontal, so I just automatically started the wrong way, but you go in short strokes. So I'm just gonna do the opposite right now and do horizontal and then vertical afterwards. And it does have a little guide, which I will show you guys here in a second. Ow, left it on a spot too long. Okay, and then in the middle of the forehead. Oh, moving it over the nose is a little bit hard. Okay, so that's the first pass. My skin feels like kind of tingly a little bit, but not anything too bad. But here is the diagram. I was supposed to go vertical, then horizontal, but it's fine. I'm sure it's fine. So now I'm gonna go vertical into short strokes. There's like a couple of areas where it's like a little bit hard to keep it moving. I'm gonna get underneath my chin because I've got some blemishes, but okay. And then now up the cheeks without getting my eye, and up the nose, then up the forehead. And I just realized, did we get a good look at my skin out beforehand? If not, I have a picture, but there it is so far. I mean, this is one treatment. So from there, I'm gonna change out the head, just simply twist it off. And I'm gonna go in with the suction head here. I have a small face, so I'm just gonna use the medium and then the small one, which again, the small one is the one that looks like that. And I've done suctioning before, so I'm gonna turn it up a little bit. So I'm on the medium section for this one because I do have a pore extractor, so I am very, very used to this. I'm realizing I should have dermaplaned beforehand. That would have been smart, but we'll see how this goes with just on regular skin. I can see my skin getting red, which does not surprise me after feeling what that diamond head feels like. It doesn't necessarily hurt, but you can definitely feel it. Okay, this is not gonna get my nose very well. Oh, I always get scared of doing this side of my nose because of my nose ring. I don't want it to suck the nose ring up. I'm gonna put on the thin tip to get like the crevices and stuff. I hate it when I break out in there, so I'm really glad that they have that tip. Anything else? Maybe in between. Alright, all done. My face, it feels like it's definitely been extracted. It just feels kind of tight. The microdermabrasion tip did not hurt at all. Honestly, it was just maybe, if anything, a little bit scratchy, but it wasn't bad at all. But I only kept it at speed 2. I could definitely feel that if I went up to the next speed, it might be a little bit too much for my skin on this first try. So I just went ahead and stuck with that. But I'm a little bit red and I can see like, I don't know how well the camera's picking that up, but you can see some of like these track marks or whatever of where I was like gliding over my skin, and then just like a few red spots all throughout. Everything is raised because it just got sucked and stuff. So I'm seeing a lot of texture right now, but I'm sure that that's like normal because it just like kind of irritated the skin, pulled everything up to the surface. So we'll see how it looks in the morning. But after you're done, I need to rinse face clean and pat dry. So that's in the water. So there's the skin tonight. Let's take mental note of it. Like I said, I don't think that I can't remember how well I showed you guys my skin before I even started the treatment, but I'll have a picture regardless. So we'll take a look at what my skin looks like tomorrow morning after just one use, if I'm noticing if it's glowing a little bit more or a little bit clearer or whatever. But again, you're supposed to use this MIO device once a week. So this is very much just a first impression, and then I'll continue to use it over the next month or so, and we'll do a follow-up video where I will show you guys my full 4-week experience and results. Okay, good morning guys. It's the next day obviously, and I just wanted to do a quick check-in on my skin. One thing I forgot to mention last night was that afterwards, when I went upstairs to finish up the rest of my skincare routine and put on my moisturizer, eye cream, all of that stuff, my skin felt so incredibly smooth. It honestly felt like butter. So on initial use, I definitely noticed some redness. It definitely felt like my skin had been like treated with like extractions and like the suction and everything, but more than anything, it just felt so incredibly smooth. But right now, just doing a check-in on the next morning, my skin definitely has like a nice glow to it that it doesn't normally have. I mean, just look at that. That looks very healthy. And I'm not noticing anything right away with hyperpigmentation or dark spots or anything, but I wouldn't expect to, considering this was just a first treatment. But my skin still feels pretty smooth. Not as smooth as right after when I used it last night, but still significantly smoother and softer than it normally feels. So I definitely like that feeling. But yeah, here is first day results for you guys. All right, you guys, well, that's gonna be it for this part 1 first impression of the MIO Diamond Microbrasion tool. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you guys will be notified of when part 2 is available of the 4-week results and whether or not I fully recommend this product. Also, of course, please don't forget to like and comment, and I will see you very soon again in my next one. Bye.